Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up Voicemeeter Banana for Roblox. So first things first, you want to click menu and make sure that the system tray and run on Windows Startup is enabled. So in that way, if we exit out of the application, it will only be hidden onto our system tray. Right after, head over to the sound setting of your Windows, click more sound setting, and just make sure to enable your voice meter. So for recording or playback, it's going to be the voice meter input. And for recording, it's going to be the voice meter main microphone or the voice meter out B1. I've just changed the name right here to make things a lot easier. You want to make sure that it is enabled. And then you could also set it as default if you want to. From there, let's open up Voicemeeter. You then want to select your main microphone right here, and same thing with your speaker. Now that we have our input and output, you want to click on the mono buttons for your speaker until you see this specific icon right here. And if you want to adjust the volume of your speakers, you can navigate through the fader gain that we have. Same thing for our microphone. If you want to decrease the volume, or if you want to increase it, you just want to use this slider. And to be able to produce sound, you want to press the B button. If I disable that, you guys won't be able to hear me. And if you want to hear yourself on this speaker that you have right here, you want to press the A button. Now for the voice color panel, of course, you want to adjust this accordingly depending on your style or your voice. And for the audibility, this is just going to be the mic threshold. So if you want to eliminate voices or small noises, you just want to simply select or adjust it right here. Now that we have our voice meter set up, I'm just going to open up a random game on Roblox. And from here, you then want to navigate through the microphone setting. So click setting. And then in here, you have your output device. If you scroll down, you just want to navigate through something like your microphone. So in here, you have the chat and language. And then you want to find the voice chat. Just make sure you are connected. And once again, you want to use Voicemeeter right here. So from there, you should be good to go, guys. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.